Hey guys, okay, so we're going to take apart a floppy disk. So this is going to be pretty easy and made by 3D Videos 1 and with his friend. So here's how you do it. You know that stupid metal on it? You gotta like exactly what he said, just take it off. Your fingers in between here, I guess. And you open that. And as you see the spring, you just break open another one. Here's that little part that came out.
IBM. This floppy disk is so old.
So here's that piece of metal that holds this disk.
720 kilobytes. That holds like maybe like half a picture.
So yeah, and then the broken part. And if you want to go crazy, you might as well just take a look at this floppy disk graveyard. Yeah. Broken pieces of this. It's like murder.
It's 720
So
kilobytes.
that was kind of easy to do that.
Oh, here's a plastic wrapper.
And then this was made by 3D Videos 1.
And the plastic wrapper.
And the guy behind it all is Brad.
Oh, yes, that's me. Me.
Yeah.
Eat.
So
Gotta choose.
I guess that's it.